choice. I'm a poet, I'm pro-voice. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Say it. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Say it. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Yeah. Miles was 15, carrying a seed. Everyone's telling her a kid she don't need. Everyone's telling her to get rid of me. I just want a glimpse, I just want to see. I know it's common, but I just want to be. I want an opportunity to get to know me. I just want a chance to smile and to dance, to really mess up and then take a stand. My dad stepped up, he was a man. He said, although this child wasn't planned, please don't abort my son. She said, a baby? What we gonna do with one? He said, I'll be there, I'm his father. She replied, is that all you have to offer? This decision will alter the rest of our lives. I choose life regardless. I'm alive, I'm alive. If not for you, I would never have